Hi. In English, some letters can have different sounds. Let's learn the other common sounds of the letter G.
J, J, J.
Blending sounds.
J, J, J.
Words where the letter G is pronounced with the
J,
sound are usually found in words spelled with GE, GI, and GY. G, E, gem, gel, gent, general, agent, budget, suggest, antigen, GI, gin, gist, magic, logic, rigid, digit, vigil, margin, origin, GY, gym, edgy, gypsy, stodgy. Practice.
J, J, J.
Suggest, suggest, suggest. Magic, magic, magic. I suggest that you do magic. I suggest that you do magic. Gypsy, gypsy, gypsy. Gem, gem, gem. Gym, gym, gym. The gypsy wants to get a gem at the gym. The gypsy wants to get a gem at the gym. Good job. Bye.